My company, Fairway Exteriors, we install a lot of doors across the KC metro area. Sometimes it's for aesthetics, sometimes it's for safety, sometimes homeowners want to keep air out. A lot of times it's the frame's rotted and doors rotted and they just need a new door. There are some times where the exterior brick mold, the exterior wood trim on the outside of the door is rotted, and that we can fix. However, if your physical door frame is rotted, it's not a situation where I would ever recommend trying to fix and reinstall the door. Here's why. A lot of times these doors are 40, 50 years old, and between so much movement, so much rotting, nothing's straight and it doesn't really fit. Well, now we have to remove that, and then we're gonna reframe your opening and hope to make the old door that didn't really perform fit again. It's extremely risky and it doesn't really work. And so I hate to tell people that there's no solution, but if your door frame is rotting, it means you have a serious issue, and you're probably 2 or 3 years away from your door not shutting, not closing. And so unfortunately, if the inside frame is rotted, you almost always unfortunately need a new door. However, if the exterior trim around the door is rotted, we're happy to come out, fix that trim, paint it, caulk it, and make it brand new. So people all the time say, hey, how do I know if it's termite or water or moisture? How do I know if I need a repair versus a new door? If you could take your finger or a pencil and you could stick it in and it's soft, it pushes in, you unfortunately need a new door. This isn't a scientific example, but it is very true across 100 homes that we've done. The majority of the time we see termite damage, it tends to be a house on a lake or a house wrapped in plastic. If you have wood siding on your house today and you have termite damage, it's really easy to see it. Like you see wood rot, you see termite damage, you see something's not right. What we see is if you throw plastic over your existing wood and you don't actually take the time to remove the wood and fix it before you put the kind of cheap vinyl siding on, you can't see what's going on. You can't see the condition. And over time, that termites really grow and you create a huge problem. And so I don't know what to tell someone if you own an existing home how to spot it, because your walls are covered. There's no way to really know. And so if you have wood siding, it's pretty easy to kind of tell what you have today. If you're getting new siding, the important thing is to go with a contractor that knows what they're doing, that's certified and understands moisture management, because termites are really looking for like the path of least resistance, and it's really easy to go in the wood. And so if you're using a commercial grade house wrap, if you're protecting siding around a foundation, if you're securing new siding airtight, watertight, I guess nothing's 100% foolproof, but you're 98, 99% likely that even if termites are in the area, you're not gonna have a problem. So the most important thing is, if you have existing house, if you see wood rot, don't wait. Don't put it off for 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Listen, if your roof's leaking, call someone today. If you see rot siding, you don't have to fix it today, but you probably should get a plan to fix it in the next 6 to 18 months. Don't wait years and years down the line, you find out you actually have a really huge problem on the inside.